All right, guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Valvetronic Design. Today we have a brand new M4 CSL here on the lift. We're going to be installing the best modification for these G8 platform cars. We'll show you underneath. Right now, this car is all stock. Titanium rear section and the rest of the stock exhaust system here. We're going to be removing this, putting the Valvetronic Midpipe on, and get ready for some serious sound. The car sounds pretty good right now because of the titanium rear, and inside the car, especially because the car has no insulation and no back seat. It's very aggressive inside, but outside definitely leaves a lot to be desired. So we're going to get the Valvetronic Midpipe installed here, and it's going to be a huge upgrade in terms of sound for this M4 CSL. All right, guys, so we're in the CSL now. It has the Valvetronic Midpipe, stock rear section, stock downpipes, and it's very aggressive in here because there's no sound ending. This transmission is way more aggressive than the regular G8s. In terms of sound level, I've never been in the car before the Valvetronic Midpipe, but what do you think of the sound in terms of the change?
Way deeper.
Yeah. How much more aggressive would you say?
It's probably a good 30% more. It sounds...
It's not crazy.
No, not too much, but it sounds way more lively.
Yeah. Which fits the character of this car for
sure.